Hello students, welcome back to Easy Way to Learn Maths. In this session, we will discuss about how to derive the equation of the circle passing through given points. Here, the basic condition is given points, 3 points must be non-collinear. Non-collinear means if they are collinear, they are on the same line, A, B, C. If they are collinear, then it is not possible to draw a circle if they are collinear. That's why the 3 points must be non-collinear points. Then only you can draw a circle. In this first method, we will make use of the standard equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here in this equation, the three unknowns are g, f and c. G, F and C. If we are able to find these three values, then that is enough to find the equation of the circle. Here the basic condition is you have to find the values of G, F and C. Whenever there are three unknowns, then there must be minimum three equations involving those three unknowns to find those three values. Here G, F, C are three unknowns, therefore we need minimum three equations involving G, F and C so that we can find the values of G, F and C. For this, first of all, let the equation of the circle, required circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. If it is passing through the first point A, that is, just you have to substitute this point on this equation of circle. And again, it is also passing through the point B. Then you have to substitute the point B also in this equation, and again it is also passing to the point C also. That's why then substitute the value of, and that means x1 y1, here x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Substituting x3 y3 in this equation, you will get another equation involving G, F and C. Then solving those three equations for G, F, C, we will get the values of G, F and C. Then substituting this required equation of the circle, we must be able to find the equation of the circle passing through those 3 points. It is the first method. Then in the second method, here we consider that let S be the center of the required circle. Let S be the center of the required circle on which the 3 points are at somewhere A, B and C. Since these 3 points are on the circumference of the circles, since the circle is passing through these 3 points, that means these points must be on the circumference of the circle only. Then we know that the basic condition is the distance between center and any point on the circle, that is on the circumference of the circle, is equal, fixed distance, which is nothing but radius. That means SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. 3 are nothing but distances, and hence SA square is equal to SB square and SB square is equal to SC square. Applying these conditions, SA means distance between S and A. We have to make use of distance between 2 points formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. SA, SB, same formula, here SB and SC. So that in this form we can derive the equation of the circle by using the condition SA square is equal to SB square, SB square is equal to SC square. This is the second method. And in this third method is nothing but a direct formula. The equation of the circle passing through 3 non-collinear points. Non-collinear points A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 is det values here. Det of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 into x square plus y square plus this is the coefficient of x square. Here this det is coefficient of x, this det is coefficient of y, and this one is constant. Once again I will repeat, this det value is the coefficient of x square and y square. This depth value is coefficient of x, this depth value is coefficient of y, and this one is constant. Here we know that x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are the coordinates of a, b and c. Here we have to observe c1, c2, c3. We will derive c1, c2, c3 by using the formula ci is equal to minus of xi square plus yi square. That means if you want to derive the value of c1, you can substitute in place of i1. c1 is equal to minus of x1 square plus y1 square, and similarly c2 is equal to minus of x2 square plus y2 square. Then c3 is equal to minus of x3 square plus y3 square. Then after deriving the depth values means again we have to go back to matrices depth value, expanding along any row or any column. Okay. Now let us solve some problems relating with this topic. Now let us solve this problem. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 1, 2, 3, minus 4 and 5, minus 6. Let the points be A, 1, 2, B, 3, minus 4 and C, 5, minus 6. Here the required circle is passing through these 3 points A, B and C. I will follow first method because it is suitable in so many conditions. Whenever the problem given 3 points, 2 points or 1 point, and hence I follow first method. Now let us solve this problem. Let the required circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now our target is to find the values of g, f and c. These are the 3 unknowns. We have already learned whenever there are 3 unknowns, there must be 3 equations involving those 3 unknowns. Now let us find the 3 equations. The 3 equations derived just simply substituting these 3 values a, b and c, because this is the equation of the required circle, and on this circle or on the circumference of the circle the points a, b, c are lying. So now let us substitute a, b and c in this equation. Since 1 passing through a coordinates 1, 2, that means in place of x we have to substitute 1 and in place of y we have to substitute 2 in this equation 1. Then 1 square 1 plus 2 square 4 plus 2g into 1 2g plus 2f into 2 4f plus c is equal to 0, implies here the constant values are 4 plus 1 5. Let us shift to LHS, then it becomes 2g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 5, say equation 2. Same way, since 1 passing through B, B coordinates 3 comma minus 4. Again in place of x we have to substitute 3 and in place of y we have to substitute minus 4. Therefore x square means 3 square 9 plus minus 4 whole square 16 plus 2g into 3 becomes 6g minus 8f. In place of y you have to substitute minus 4. Therefore minus 4 into minus 8f plus c is equal to 0, implies again 16 plus 9 25, shifting to RHS. Therefore 6g minus 8f plus c is equal to simply minus 25, say equation 3. And similarly, since 1 is passing through C, 5 comma minus 6, substituting in place of x 5 and in place of y minus 6, then x square means 5 square 25 plus minus 6 whole square 36 plus here 5 2s are 10g 2 into minus 6 minus 12f plus C is equal to 0. Again, here 25 plus 36, 61. Then 10G minus 12F plus C is equal to minus 61. Say equation 4. Now, by using 2, 3 and 4, we have to solve the values of G, F and C. It's our target. Then, let us consider 2 and 3. 2 minus 3 implies 2 minus 3 implies. Then let us write second equation. 2G plus 4F plus C is equal to minus 5. Then third equation, 6G minus 8F plus C is equal to minus 25. Subtraction. Therefore, here minus plus minus plus. Then minus 6G plus 2G. It is simply minus 4G. Then plus plus 8 plus 4, 12F. Then plus C minus C cancelled. Then plus 25 minus 5, which is equal to plus 20. Let us simplify. Taking 4 common, then minus G plus 3F is equal to 5. Then minus G plus 3F is equal to 5. Say equation 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it is equation 5. Similarly, solving 3 and 4. 3 minus 4 implies. Let us write the third equation. 6G minus 8F plus C is equal to minus 25. Then fourth one, 10G minus 12F plus C is equal to minus 61. Subtraction again. Minus plus minus plus. Then again plus C minus C cancel. Then minus 10 plus 6 minus 4G plus 12 minus 8 plus 4F is equal to plus 25 plus 61 minus 25, which is 36. Again 4 common, then minus G plus F is equal to 4 9 36 9. Then it is equation 6. Now here 5 and 6 are the equations involving in the two variables G and F. Here also G and F. Now let us solve these two equations to find the value of G and F. Then 5 plus 6. Here minus G minus 5 minus 6 implies again. Equation 5 is minus G plus 3F is equal to 5. Equation 6 minus G plus F is equal to 9. Again subtraction, plus minus minus. Plus G minus G get cancelled. Then plus 3F minus F, 2F is equal to minus 9 plus 5 minus 4. Therefore F is equal to minus 4 by 2. Therefore F is equal to minus 2. Now let us substitute this value of F is equal to minus 2 in equation 6. Therefore minus G in place of F we have substitute minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to 9. Then minus G is equal to 9 plus 2. Then G is equal to minus 11. Then to find the value of C, we have to substitute F and G in equation 2. Substituting F and G in equation 2. So that 2 into G, G is minus 11, plus 4 into F, 4 into minus 2, F value, plus C is equal to minus 5. Then minus 22 minus 8 plus C is equal to minus 5. then minus 22, minus 8, minus 30, plus c is equal to minus 5, implies c is equal to minus 5 plus 30, implies c is equal to 25. Now we find the values of G, F and C. Then the required circle will be substituting in this equation G value, F value and C value. Therefore, required equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2 into, in place of G we will substitute minus 11, 2G x plus 2F, F is here, minus 2y plus C plus here in place of C plus 25 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the circle which is passing through the points A, B and C. Okay. Now, let us solve another problem. Find the equation of the circle which passing through 2, minus 3 and minus 4, 5 and having center on 4x plus 3y plus 1 equal 0. Here only 2 points are given. In the previous problem, the required circle is passing through 3 points. Here only 2 points are given. So that by making use of these 2 points, again let the required equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal 0, whose center is minus g minus f. Since it is passing to the first point a, 2, 3, then substituting these values x, y and y, we will get 4g minus 6f plus c is equal to minus 13, first equation. Then again it is again passing to the point minus 4, 5, substituting b minus 4, 5 in the first equation, we derived minus 8g plus 10f plus c is equal to minus 41. We told that whenever there are 3 unknowns, there must be 3 equations involving those 3 unknowns to find those 3 values. Here we derived 2 equations. Then to get the another equation, here the clue given is the center of the required circle. The center of the required circle is on the equation 4x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. That is the clue to find the third equation involving G, F and C. So that we know that the center of the required circle is minus G minus F. That is simply we have to substitute minus G minus F on this equation. That is, in place of x we have to substitute minus G and in place of y we have to substitute minus F. So that the third equation is minus 4G minus 3F plus 1 equal to 0. By making use of 2, 3 and 4, we have to find the values of G, F and C. Same procedure. 2 minus 3 implies, that is, we are evaluating the value of C. Okay, we are just cancelling C to get the values of G and F. That is equation involving only 2 unknowns. So that again, here it includes only G and F. Fourth equation is also includes only G and F. Now we have to solve 4 and 5 to get the values of G and F. So equation 4 is minus 4G minus 3F plus 1 is equal to 0. Equation 5 is shifting this plus 7 to LHS. 3G minus 4F minus 7 equal to 0. Now solve these 2 equations. Then G, F, C. We have to start with the second coefficient. That is with coefficient of F. Then F is equal to coefficient of F is here minus 3, then constant 1, then coefficient of G minus 4, then again first value. Similarly, we have to apply the same procedure for second equation also. Therefore, here the coefficient of F is minus 4, constant is minus 7, coefficient of G is 3 and again minus 4, here also minus 4. Then G by, just we have to apply the AD minus BC formula. Det of ABCD, AD minus BC, AD minus BC, AD, then minus BC. So that G by minus 3 minus 7, 21, minus of minus 4 plus 4. Similarly, 3 ones are 3, minus 7 minus 4, 28 is equal to, here 4 fours are 16, minus of minus 10 plus 9. So that g by 25 is equal to f by minus 25 is equal to 1 by 25. Then by using these two equations we will get the value of g, and by using these two equations we will get the value of f. So that again, to get the value of c, substituting these two values in equation 2. Therefore 4g, in place of g we have substitute 1, minus 6 into f, in place of f we have substitute minus 1. Therefore 4 into 1 minus 6 into minus 1 plus c is equal to minus 13. So that c value becomes minus 23. Then substituting these three values g, f and c in equation 1, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. In place of g 1, in place of f minus 1, and in place of c minus 23. The required equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 23 is equal to 0. This is the method to adopt, first method. Okay. With this we conclude this session.